Did you know that right beneath the modern municipal building in Istanbul, a 1600-year-old subterranean water temple was hidden for centuries? This is the Theodosius Cistern, known locally as Şerefiye Sarnıcı, a silent, mystical world of water and stone. Built 15 centuries ago, between 428 and 443 AD, by Byzantine Emperor Theodosius II. It was designed to supply water to Constantinople. It features 32 grand marble columns with elegant Corinthian capitals transported all the way from Marmara Island. Water was brought here through the ancient Valens Aqueduct, also known as Büyüleyici, securing the city's water supply during long sieges. To withstand the immense water pressure, the architects built 2.5-meter thick walls, curving the corners for maximum structural strength. Over the centuries, the cistern was forgotten. In the 19th century, a grand mansion, Arif Pasha Mansion, was built directly on top of it. Later, a heavy concrete municipality building covered the site. For decades, thousands of people walked on top of it, unaware of the ancient wonder beneath their feet. In 2010, the concrete buildings were finally demolished, revealing this hidden masterpiece to the world after a meticulous restoration. The water is gone, but the magic remains. Would you visit this underground palace? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.